And this is the market town of Poulton Le Fylde, and the stocks, medieval stocks here. And this is the quaint little train station of Poulton Le Fylde. And here is the exit. Up some steps here, there is a lift. And this is a bit of a Poulton institution, the Thatched House and the Cube. And this is Breck Road, which leads down to the train station in Poulton. And all around this area is the best place to be for the nightlife. Lots of bars and nice restaurants, and quite lively too. This is the other side of St Chad's Church, which is where you catch all your buses to Fleetwood, Blackpool. It's only about 10 minutes drive away from Blackpool. And another well-known pub in Poulton is the Golden Ball. And down there is the Teanlowe Centre, the main shopping area. And this is the little shopping centre in Poulton, the Teanlowe, with booths there, which is like the Waitrose of Lancashire. And very popular ice cream shop there. And that is going to Carlton and eventually Fleetwood. And this is inside the Teanlowe Centre. Seems to be quite a few units closed at the moment. It's good to know also that you have 3 hours free parking if you come here. And Poulton does have lots of little alleyways with shops. There's a cafe here. And here's this quaint little alleyway that brings you back into the square and St Chad's. So here we're coming out now to St Chad's Church and the square. And market day. So this is Poulton Market Square on market day on a Monday, and as you come round here, this is St Chad's Church, very old and traditional. And from St Chad's there is another little alleyway here going through to more cafes and restaurants. There's a nice Thai restaurant down here, a barber's. It's called Poulton Mews, which again centres, overlooks St Chad's. And here is the Mews from a different perspective. And this is inside the church grounds. There's a little graveyard here and the entrance to the church, and a weather vane on the top. And here we are inside St Chad's Church. As you can see, it's a very traditional old church. And this is the town's cenotaph, and this building here used to be the police station. It's got signs up saying it's a food hall. I'm not sure if it is open. And up here we have the stocks. There's a little plaque here saying about this particular feature here was a whipping post. And there's a stone market table there back in the day, and the market cross and the stocks. And there are plenty of little pubs in the town, and here are the stocks again. and the market square. This is China Red, always quite a high rated Chinese restaurant. And on the other side there's Español, a Spanish restaurant, which is nearly always booked up, so book early if you want to get in. And this is the Wetherspoons pub, the Poulton Elk. And that's going back to the town centre and where the stocks are. And it has a decent outside sitting area as well. This is like a ring road that goes around the town here, so you do get a lot of traffic. And at the back of the Teanlowe Centre there's a taxi office here for Poulton cabs. Also a very nice kebab house if you like that sort of thing. And the library here.